First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, facing from the front on the right side, notice there is that bracket that we need to pull out. All we have to do is just press it down. There it is. And behind this filter, notice there is one more bracket that also needs to be pulled out. Just like that, that bracket is also out. Once both the brackets are pulled out, now what we will do is grab the top cover from here and then slightly lift it upwards. Just like that, and there is our engine air filter. Just grab the filter from this corner right here and then pull it outwards. That is how we take out the filter for this vehicle. In my case, the filter is not that bad. There are some black spots right there, but that's fine. I don't really need a new filter in my case, but in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved portion like that stays at the top and the other portion like that with the plastic completely black stays at the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and punch this filter back where we took it out from. We lift up the top cover first and then punch in the filter. Just make sure on the filter there is some sort of code written right here. That code should stay towards the right side. And also notice there is that tab here. Make sure this tab side is towards right side all the way pointing out here. Now we'll go ahead and put back the top cover. Make sure there is no bracket holding onto it. While putting the top cover, notice on the left side, there is that tab right here that you could see. Similar to this tab, there is one more tab on the other end. These two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions right here. So there is one position right there and the other position from the other side is right here. So we have to make sure that we punch in both of those two tabs into those two positions. What I will do is grab the filter from top like that and then we will go ahead to punch in both tabs into their respective positions. First tab is in, also making sure from the other side it's also completely in. There it is. Just to make sure this side and the other side tab, both of them are completely in. Now we are good to pull down the cover like that and we'll go ahead to punch in both the clips. So this is the first clip right here. We got the first clip in. Now we will go behind to punch in the second clip as well. With both the clips in place, that wraps up the replacement for engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.